Hello everyone, today is Monday, October 7th. It's 5:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Just getting around to making today's video. Have another live trading video from Jim. Today's video is really interesting because it shows trading with the auto trader and without the auto trader. Let's see which one does better.
It's 6:30 a.m., about 3 hours before market open. Before I get to trading today, I just wanted to share an experience that happened on Friday. So Friday morning, I wake up, turn the Ninjatrader on, and some kind of a glitch. There was a license issue with Blue Wave, and the auto trader simply would not go on. So I contacted customer support, which they are excellent. They took care of the problem the same day. But of course, there's a 6-hour difference between where I am and where a Blue Wave is based. So I figured, okay, well, I should be able to trade, without the auto trader for one day. Should not be a big deal. Of course, we had this announcement at 8:30, non-farm payroll, and I was extremely bullish. The only obstacle I saw was this kind of a resistance over here, but I had no doubt we're going to break well above 7,700. So I said, okay, well, I'm definitely have a long bias, and I'm just going to take long. And when the market opened up, I said, well, okay, take long, but take long where? As things began to unfold right out of the gate, I missed this first long trade. I'm like, wow, well, I cannot chase it now, right? So what do I do? Well, maybe I'll wait for some kind of a pullback. Here was a pullback, and I said, okay, well, now I should take a long, but I'm sitting there and I'm hesitating, and I don't know exactly where to take the long. And then there was this kind of a deeper retracement down. Now I'm nervous. I don't know, should I take a long or not? Now I'm thinking, and then boom, another move up. And I'm thinking, well, now it looks like I missed the move again. I don't want to chase it. So what should I do? And there was another retracement. And so the whole morning played out like this. Eventually, I did take a long, I believe somewhere here. I took a long at around 98 or 99. And then there was this move down, and I'm down 100, 200, 300. And then the market comes back, and then it goes down again. And again, I'm down 200, 300. And then I was just, I was at a complete loss. And then as soon as market popped up, I just got out. And I just want to show you, I took a screenshot. This is what I made on 2 contracts. I take a look at the time. This is about 2.5 hours after market open. And I just sat there, and I was actually quite amazed because I thought I was over all of my issues that stopped me from being profitable about a year ago before I got the auto trader. And I guess what occurred to me after this morning is I didn't know where to get in. I was hesitating, then got into a position, was down way more than I should have tolerated. I kind of let the loser ride, so to speak. And then as soon as I got into a tiny profit, I got out quickly. So I let the loser ride, and then I got out of a winning position prematurely because as the day went on, there was a lot of money to be made, but I missed all of it. They say only less than 10% of retail traders are successful. And I realized on Friday that the only reason why I'm on the other side of this is because I'm using a tool that saves me from myself. It was a very interesting realization because now, I thought at this point, I have 4 funded accounts, another one on the way, October 23rd is when I get funded for the 5th funded account. So I said, well, okay, well, I'm over all of it. And the fact is I am not. What I'm going to show you is how the auto trader would have handled the same morning. All right, so now this is market replay of Friday morning. This is the same exact time frame. Superenko 14 tick. I used all of last week with the same exact template. So I'm not customizing a template to suit Friday morning action. This is the same exact thing I've been using. $500 stop and target, trading 2 contracts, 40 and 80 ticks with a trail stop that kicks in at 36 ticks. Of course, on Friday, I would have been on longs only. And this, what it would have been like if I used the auto trader as opposed to trying to trade manually. Maybe I'll fast forward this just a bit. So we are above the step MA, so as soon as bars turn blue, auto trader is going to take a long. Here it is, out on the trail. So up 246 within the first minute. Now a pullback. No hesitation, no wondering when to get in, no second guessing. Again, the auto trader is waiting for the bars to turn blue. Here it is, another long. And done. By 9:34, within 4 minutes, the auto trader hit the daily target. And again, this is the same time frame, the same exact template I used all of last week, and the same template I am going to use this morning. What a difference. All right, so we are a few minutes before market open. Here is time and sales, and here is the computer clock. The configuration panel showing this is a live account. I am bullish for today, but first I'd want to see a retracement to 77.20 about 22.25. So this is the exact same template as was at the market replay that you've seen a few minutes ago. $500 stop and target, trading 2 contracts, 40 and 80. So like I said, first I want to see a retracement to around 77.20 to 25. But I'm not going to take a short to get there. I am bullish and I'll be looking for long trades only. So a long is taken, price is above the step MA, we have blue bars, and the long is taken. I waited for that test, actually waited for a slightly lower test of 77.20. I don't think it's coming, so I decided to engage the auto trader now on the long side. Because if they're not even able to test the 77.20, they're going to go right to over 60, which will be enough for me, at least to get my first target, and then we'll see. Okay, here's first target. I'm not sure if I showed, I think I showed the time and sales, right? And I don't see trail stop, which makes me believe that I screwed up and put in the wrong template. Yep, none for the trail here, so maybe I'll just at least go to break even. I don't think we're too far from the daily target. Let's trail by 50%. There is some resistance over here. So in case they decide to back away, I'm going to keep the longs on, but if they do, at least temporarily, fail to break this high, I'll at least get some profit out of the second position. If I was to put in the right template, the one with the trail stop, it would do it automatically, but I did not. They really should not have an issue breaking that 60. If they were not even able to touch 77.20, this to me means they're really strong. They should have tested 77.20. Unless they'll do it later on, which is possible. Yeah, they have trouble there. But I will keep the longs on, even if I'm taken out here. All right, let's see if they'll give it another shot. Here they go, come on. And a beauty, here it is. Wow, nice positive slippage. Beautiful trade. Very early in the morning. So what a difference between trading with the auto trader and trading without it. You know, just no guessing.